Good day. Welcome to RMA Baba Yoruba. As we know, Yoruba language is a tonal language, and over the years, we noticed that many people have difficulties in reading and writing just because they don't understand the logic behind the Yoruba language tone mark. What is Yoruba language tone mark? Position in which we have our voice, either it goes up or it comes down when we are speaking. Èyí ni lílọ sókè, lílọ sódò, ohùn ènìyàn nígbà tí a bá ń fọ̀. In Yoruba language, basically, we have three types of tone mark: the high tone, the middle tone, and the low tone. What do we call all these in Yoruba language? The high tone is referred to as mi, the middle tone is referred to as re, and the low tone is referred to as do. As we can see on the screen, this is the way we have mi, and this is the way we have re, as well as this is the way we have do. These are the three types of tone mark that we have in Yoruba language.
RMA Baba Yoruba TV.